Hey guys, it's Kenny. Before this video begins, I just want to let you guys know that I am okay now. I think I ate a really bad combo of snacks and kind of made me do what you're about to hear. And I promise you that every single one of these burps are legit. This is real. This really happened to me yesterday. I still can't believe it. This is insane. Ryan loves my burps.
Yeah, it's the same like Drew.
Who is Drew?
My butt.
Drew is your butt?
Yeah, I named him.
Okay, sure, Ryan.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, enjoy this crazy burp off. Radica, USA. Sticks. Open the door. Eyeball. Rocky. Oh. Ear shift. Tiger. Electronics. FedEx. Oh.
Hey guys, it's a broken concert.
I can't hold it back anymore. What is happening? Ouch. Loach. Iron glasses. Crumbly. Mind flex. Ooh. Creamsicle. Comic. Oreo. Springy. These are soda burps. It really sounds like I drank a bunch of soda, but I didn't. Oh! Way! Way! Yeah.
Yeah?
Craxy! Oh. Crack! Stovetop. Help me. No, stop. I'm tired of burping, actually. Shift. Taxi. Over. Scott. Ferguson. Olaf. Snit. Minion. Spider-Man. Rack. Ale. Get my bath. Grandmama. I'm done. I can't do this. Sit. I'm gonna explode if I keep doing this. How am I doing this? These burps are crazy. Oh me. 2,000. What? Exiting narrator. Burboxers. Drowning. Scratch cat. Benedict. Amanda. Bald eagle. I'm gonna die while burping. Burp County. Bob and XT, spin me. Daddy fart. Dog. And my fast fingers. Izzy. Oh. Hey. Here's a good movie. What if I put this on Bob 2 TV? Bonus sniffle. Oh, Scouty. Girl Scouts. Oh. Oshi. Orange juice. Oh yeah. My buddy Rubino. Faniv. Root. Toothless. It's men. Burpatitis. Burping virus. Burposis. I'm naming my disease now. It's crazy. I'm Mr. Beast. No, I'm not. What? Alexa. Ooh. Poop. Oh, it's Santa Claus. Maniac. I don't know. Moving to China. Burping stroke. No. That again. Bluey, Bluey, bingo, oh yeah, my butt, oh, wooden table, I'm moving to Africa. Why am I moving? I'm not even moving anywhere. Except I can walk around right now while burping in my room. I'm the Burping King. McDonald's, Burger King, chicken fillet. Oh yeah. Nintendo. Needs a Nintendo Switch 3 for sure. It would do so well. Toxic burp. This is terrible. I'm gonna pass out or something. Counterattack. Simon. Ruby. And Bob. Are two characters in one of my stories. Hey yo, Google me with Dalen. Animation. I'm never eating yogurt and mounds together ever again. That might be what did it. But how? That makes no sense. It's the best combo and worst combo ever, apparently. Jim Crosser. Who is that? Look him up on my butt. Yeah. Oh. Drown in my gargling burp. Nabbit. Oh, smabbit. KJ. Oh yeah. Auto-tune me. I'm in the dragon. Goldilocks and the three bears. Ryan, what do you think about all these burps? Tell me.
I love it. I love it.
I know.
10 out of 10.
I know you do. You love them so much. Do they feel good? No. They hurt so bad. I give up. I can't finish this sentence. Endless. Please. Yips ahoy. How long is this gonna last? Hopefully it's just over right now. Right? Yeah. Hospital. Mexican food. Ryan's gonna say orange ass fingers very soon. Gee. Gee. I never want to burp ever again. Please! I'm actually done. I hate this. I don't like it anymore. It's not cool. Who can you do? Hey, how much amount of time? Big Bird. Anthony Street. Demons. Skriger. Orangutan. Arrow sign. It's pointing to the exit of the day. Word of the day is row. Yeah. Bubbly. Monopoly. Easy button. Do it, Dox me. Arfer. The aardvark. Loop shifter. Paper slide. Music. Oh. Brain warp. Oh. Onyx. The wave from Spin Master. Ryan loves burps and farts. Opti 6 reaction.